All right, let's see. We are sailing out of Put-in-Bay, and we're heading toward, well, we're just heading out. I don't know where we're going. Off the far distance, I think you can see Bessie Davis or Davis Bessie. I'm not sure which one it is, but it's the power plant there. And I believe that's Green Island over there. And as you pan out, you'll see all kinds of little fishing boats and things. There goes the classic forward reverse slow and fast boat, and all the skills of a 3-year-old. And geez, you think of all those boats out there, there wouldn't be any fish left in that area, but there it is. So, and back here we have Maria at the tiller, manning and controlling the boat. You having fun? So I guess that's
Eastside Warriors.
Eastside Warriors. There you have it. And that is, I think, Rattlesnake. That's Rattlesnake. So very private, very standoffish. So another beautiful day here. And big old boat coming in this way.
Where's the ferry going? So I can get out of the way behind us?
They'll go around you. They'll go around you. Relax. She's worried about that. That thing will get around you. They don't want to sink you anymore. You want to be sunk.
Well, I understand that, but I don't want to be in the way.
So, she's starting the motor because she's gutless. Gutless. Gutless.
We're going to motor sail.
She's got the power. Now this is the Miller Ferry coming around. Does push up a lot of water, but he's going to go around you. So, anyway. Oh my God, he's going to hit us! We're going to die! She's worried. He will kick up a lot of water, so I will, I am going to kill this. All right, now it gets bumpy.